Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for you, we're going to actually be doing a review of the Strion DS HPL. Now, if you guys had saw a few days ago, I actually put a video up showing you guys the brightness of that flashlight. This is my new duty light. I actually just retired my old one, which was the regular original Strion with the LED. So I figured we'd make a video and show you guys this one and actually compare it to the old one and one of the other Strions that I have. Basically, it's made by Streamlight. They're probably my favorite light company. They're high quality. They're very durable. I've had my other one for around 10 years, and it still works fine. It's still good. I just wanted to get a little bit brighter of a light. A couple features about this light are this is the DS which is dual switch technology. So you're gonna have a switch on the tail cap, and you've got one also up here on the head. You can see here, it's got 3 brightness modes. You're gonna have high, medium, and then low is actually a very, very low light, as you saw in the video of the brightness, but you know, you can still navigate with it, you could still see with it. And it also, double click it, and it's gonna strobe for us. So it's a great light. It's also got beveled edges up here, so it's actually not supposed to roll, it's gonna sit flat. They're not as defined as the old one, but they're there. They're a little more rounded than the old one. It's also got this thing called the 10-tap programmable, which means you can actually program this light, which is actually really cool. I believe it uses the same battery as the other Strion does. Uses the same charger as them, which is fantastic because I didn't have to buy the kit with all the chargers in it and everything. I could just use the ones I had from my other ones, and it all works the same. So guys, let's compare this. This is the new one here now. This is my old one. You can see it's pretty beat. This is the Strion LED. You can see there's brightness there. It's only got the tail cap there. You mean you can see mine's had some use to it. So this is the old one. You can see how the edges on this are a little more out there, but comparable side by side. The new one is just a tiny bit longer, just a little bit longer because of the tail cap switch there. It looks like, or the front, I'm sorry, the switch on the head there. But you know, comparing the brightness, that's the old one, that's the new one. The new one's a lot brighter. I believe it gets up to 700 lumens or something like that. It's super bright. One of the other Strions I actually have, this is the Strion LED, the HP. It's got this big head here. This one actually projects the beam super far, really far. I've shot this one a couple hundred feet, and you can light something up. It's like having a little spotlight. So this one is awesome. It's, you know, basically the same size as them. It's just that the head up here is a lot bigger. So these are the 3 Strions I have, guys. Basically, I keep my old one now as a backup in my duty bag. This one I actually have because it's not bad if you need to, you know, see in the distance, actually quite far, things like that. But I also have the Stinger, which I actually use for that. You know, that distance. It's got the same head as this one does. And then, like I said, my new one is what I carry. It actually lasts for quite a long time. The battery life is a couple hours, I believe. Especially if you put it on to medium and low, you can get it to last a lot longer. Like I said, make sure you check out that video. It's going to show you how bright the light is, so you guys can have an idea of, you know, how it's going to illuminate. Like I said, you know, seeing the video and seeing it in person is totally different. After I watched the video, I was like, I could see so much better than that. But you can definitely see that it's a super bright light. It's small, it's compact. I have a Safariland holster for it on my belt. It's a great light. Like I said, my other one held up to the test of time. 10 years, still running strong, still works. It's been dropped, it's been soaked, it's been run over. It's been beaten, and it still works perfect. So I'm sure this one is going to hold up to the same test of time as that one does. One of the other things was I actually have an adapter on my AR for this light, and basically just clicks in and you just turn something. So that's also something great, is you can also, you know, turn this into a weapon light. I also do have the Streamlight TLR1H1, which is going to be the gun light. I keep that on my duty gun at all times. Actually, I have a special holster for it, because it's really bright. Streamlight is a great product, and I highly recommend using them, guys. I mean, it's something you can trust. You can put your life on the line with a light that, you know, you can trust, because I work night shifts. So back to the flashlight here. This is something new. I'm sure in a year or two they're going to come out with another different technology or something, but I really like the dual switch on it. Sometimes I like to hold it like this. Other times it's nice to hold it, like this, depending on, how you can adjust your hand to however you want to hold it, which is great. It's very comfortable. It's not heavy at all. It's very light. But like I said, guys, definitely recommend this light. Check them out, guys. It's the Streamlight Strion DS HPL. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And as always, like and subscribe.